Istanbul, Turkey. A man enters a quiet pharmacy to pick up his prescription. He pays for his pills. But then, he pulls a surprise on the pharmacist. A 9mm handgun. Suddenly, the woman pulls a surprise of her own. A can of mace. His eyes are blasted with the blistering spray. The bandit runs off, with the two women in hot pursuit. The brave pharmacist's performance is impressive. She appears to be gathering cash from the till when she reaches into the back of the register for her secret weapon. A hefty dose of mace was just what the doctor ordered to foil a robbery and possibly save her life.